Now the same set of invoice numbers belongs to a particular bill. So what if I want to see that what was the bill value of invoice number 536365? I am simply tempted to add the unit price, but I won't because there are multiple items bought for each SKU. So let's say hello to our first spreadsheet function which we will use here. So I will type quantity for invoice number 536365 and write equals sum of the total quantity for invoice 536365, which is D2 up to D8. So there are 40 items bought for bill contributing to invoice number 536365. What if I want to see the bill value generated for this invoice number? It will simply be the product of the quantity column times the unit price. So we will use the second spreadsheet function, which is the sum product. It takes two columns as input. So our first column would be that of the quantity, just as before, comma, the second column, which is the unit price. So that is F2 to F8. I close my parentheses and press enter. So my bill value for 536365 is 139.12 pounds. Does it match with yours? Now that we have calculated the bill value for invoice 536365, why not we move on to solve something of larger consequence? What were the top 10 bill amounts on the invoices for the 13 months of the data? Remember, for each invoice, we must aggregate the items across multiple rows. Follow the same steps as before and tell me the amount you get for the next invoice. Only 2 items were bought. This should not take much time. What did you say? 22.2 pounds? Great, we can proceed then.